been here for 26 years in Ghana, and last year was 25th. And now we came up with, from the name Ghandour Cosmetics to the GC brand, and it's all about safe products, quality products, very affordable and locally made. This is what we stand for. Like, that's extremely important for us. Despite all the difficulties these days, we are here to stay, and we do all the effort to continue growing. We had a very humble beginning. That was 25 years ago, and here we are today. We're gonna take you to show you a little bit where we have reached in terms of business, and I don't know your impression how it will be, but it is a very positive achievement, and thanks to Ghana that welcomed us, and our collaboration with you is to keep this going. But also with this collaboration, our aim is for the people to believe more and more. So what you are endorsing now, Stoneboy, is safety, quality, transparency, affordable for the masses, you know. So it exactly goes with your brand, and yeah. And we hope we'll achieve this together. Okay, and improve.
Thank you.
All right.